It was wonderful, beautiful, magical, anything that you can describe, beauty. Not knowing what to expect. Um, you know, hey, do you want to go to Italy? Sure. But didn't know anything about Italy much besides what I've read online. Didn't know much about the retreat because I didn't ask questions, just I kind of go with the flow guy. And, you know, leaving here feeling a little lighter, more motivated, and, just revived. So
I was being one of the only two men in the big group of women.
it was good. You know, um, I tend to listen, so I just sat back and listened. And when I had something to say, I felt like I had the chance to speak. And um, yeah,
Is this gonna be the last time you come here?
no, I was just walking around trying to figure out when the next time I'm coming. And I want to bring my family so they can experience what I've experienced. I mean, all my kids and their kids. It's probably never ending, I need to explore more of what the world has to offer. And if everybody did that, stepped out and just loved and explored, this world would be a better place to live in. And it's sad that we live in the confinements and the hate and the pointing the fingers when all we can do, we need to do is just simply love. And it's just that simple. So.